Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a list view for queue in Salesforce. Here we are going to learn how to create, edit and delete list view in Salesforce. So let's proceed and understand what are queues in Salesforce. In Salesforce, records can be distributed, prioritized and assigned to teams with shared workload using Salesforce queue, and anyone with access to the queue is able to look through each record and claim ownership of the ones they desire. In simple words, we can also say that the queues are the collections of records without any owner. So let's proceed and learn to create, edit and delete the list view for queue in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org, and here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning edition, firstly switch to the Lightning 1 and then proceed further. So here you can see we are on the setup page. If you are not on the setup page, then click on the gear icon. This is the gear icon. And under this gear icon, you can see there is a setup option present. Click on the setup option and you can directly move to the setup home page. But we are already in the setup home page. That's why we do not need to follow these all steps. And I click on the quick find box and enter the queues in the quick find box, and here you can see under the user queues are present. Click on this queues option and it will redirect us to the queues page, and under this queue page now you can see that in the front of a view we have a drop down list which consists of all the list view that are available for this queue setup. But we want to create the new view that fetch up the record on the basis of a specific email ID. So here I click on the button that is a create a new view, and it will redirect us to the create new view page. Now here our first step is to enter the view name. So here I enter the view name as a specific email view. So I enter this name, specific email view, and then you can see our view unique name is automatically filled, and it will fetch the name from the view name. And then we scroll down, and here our next step is to specify the filter criteria. So here now you want to specify the filter criteria on which you want to fetch out the record. So here I click on the field box and I select the queue email and then enter the email value that you want to enter. So here I enter the email value as this, and then scroll down and then select the fields to display. Here you can see the available fields and the selected fields are present, and I want to remain this column as it is and move to our next step, that is our fourth step, restrict the visibility. By default it is set up to me, but now I change it visible to all the users. So I click on this checkbox and then click on the save button, and here you can see that it was successfully create a list view with the name specific email view. It will filter out all the records that have this specific queue email. So suppose at some moment of the time you want to edit this list view, so you can edit it also by simply clicking on this edit button. Now I can change the view name as a specific email call view. So I enter here specific email call view, and then I also want to choose another filter criteria. So I click on the field as a queue name and which is equal to this, and I enter the queue name as a call underscore queue, and then I select the field to display. Here I want to select this field, available field, and add it to the selected field, and I want to remove this field last modified and modify. So I remove from this fields to the selected field and then scroll down. I did not want to change this restrict visibility now this time. So and I click on the save button and here we go. You can see our list view is shown. So it will show all the records that the specific email ID and the queue name as a queue call queue, and then I remove the last modified and the modified. Suppose at the some moment of the time you did not need this list view anymore and you decided to delete it. So for this what you can do, you simply click on the edit button and here you can see there is a delete option present. If you did not want this queue anymore, so you simply click on the delete button and the pop-up is shown, delete this view, click on the OK button and you can see your view, list view under this queue is deleted successfully. No view is present under this list view. So with this we have learned how to create a list view for the queue in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.